It goes without saying that our skin is super important. It protects us from all sorts of things like UV rays and pollution that all of us living an urban lifestyle will encounter. So therefore we have to protect our skin, and for that the Nutricentials product line is a great choice. It's going to help your skin bounce back from the stresses of daily life. It's going to improve the resilience towards oxidative stress, lack of sleep, pollution and so forth, all to make you look your best. Within this urban lineup, we have products formulated especially for people with normal to dry skin and for people with combination to oily skin. If you have normal to dry skin, it's good to use creamy cleansing lotion. That's gonna add a bit of hydration, and then use pH balanced toner afterwards. If you have combination to oily skin, you should use pure cleansing gel and finish off with pH balanced mattifying toner to control the shine. I always recommend that you use a serum both morning and evening before applying any moisturizer. And a great choice is Celtrix Ultra Recovery Fluid. After the serum, you're ready to apply moisturizer. And in the morning you can apply Moisture Restore Day. We have that for normal to dry skin and for combination to oily skin. And both of these contain SPF, which is obviously important because we know sun is one of the biggest stresses for our skin, so you have to stay protected. At night you should use Moisture Restore Intense Moisturizer if you have normal to dry skin, or Night Supply Nourishing Cream if you have combination to oily skin. If you're looking to give your skin just a bit more, I can recommend an eye cream. The skin around our eyes is very thin and sometimes it needs a bit of extra attention. So I think you should use Intensive Eye Complex. It's fantastic for all skin types and you simply just dab it underneath the eye morning and evening before you add your moisturizer. When you really want to pamper your skin, you should use facial masks. Polishing peel and exfoliating scrub are great at removing that dead layer of skin cells, so your skin is going to feel soft, it's going to look radiant, and whatever serum you apply is going to be easier taken up. I use that around twice a week. And then you should also use hydrating mask around twice a week again, just to give your skin that extra moisture boost that it sometimes needs. Regardless of the environment, Nutricentials got you covered. This product line is going to help to protect and hydrate your skin, no matter the day, the place or the season. So get rid of tired and dull looking skin and enjoy your radiant and glowing complexion.